Hello everyone and welcome to Cat's Cottage. I'm back here stitching on the quilt that I just got recently from the thrift store, and I'm going to bring the camera down, bring y'all down to the bed. Right here is where I'm stitching right now. I hope you can see this. There's my needle thread. This is, I washed it and it got a little spots that it might have come open on. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera around this way a little more. See if y'all can see me. Not me, but the stitching. Okay, here we go. I just washed it in cold water on a delicate cycle in the washing machine. And the dryer was cool. And I checked it constantly. Opened it up and checked it. This is the only one I found so far. I've been looking around and feeling to see if I could come across any more, but I don't. This is a nice soft quilt, which will be really warm and comfortable. Okay, I'm doing a little double down here on the end. It acts like it's a little more frayed. Okay, sure I got it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna make a knot in it in the string. Although I could just run it through the seam, wouldn't have to make a knot, but I'll make a knot. And okay, now get the scissors. I'm gonna cut it off. There it goes. Now, looks like all I can find. So I'm going to bring y'all back up to me. And let's see, I'll bring you up tall. And then we can walk over this way. And there's the quilt. I've got it on the bed. It's nice and clean. And I looked for any open spots in it.